update back on my video, y'all. So I have one more day until the day of the day. I'm putting the intro on now before I forget later, and I'm just gonna jump right into it as soon as I get home. But yeah, I'm so excited. So excited. No, you know that meme? That.
So excited!
Okay, so we are back home from a long, exhausting day of school. I'm gonna make it back into my room. And y'all, I'm ready to lay down. I'm ready to take this belt off I've been wearing all day. But yeah, we're upstairs. My day was good.
I touch that fine for you. I do that 3 more times again. I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch. I do it all that I'm around. You scared to do it. I'm not. As long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Okay, so I'm out the shower, feeling squeaky clean, and I forgot I was recording, and I'm about to get me some food, because I'm hungry. Okay, so the plan of change, don't mind, this is my pimple pad. Oh my gosh. Hello, everybody. So remember how I said, so I'm going to not have the relaxing day that I thought I was gonna have. Bro, I can't even say that. But I'm not gonna have the relaxing video that I thought I was gonna have. I was gonna just go home and go to sleep. But now we're going to Publix. So, yeah.
I'm still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other, but I know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving.
Looking for laundry detergent.
I'm so mature. I got me a therapist to tell me there's a limit. I want that, and I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should.
Turns out now we're finna head to Walmart. We've made it to La Walmart.
To Wally.
Yeah, we finna get out and we're finna go. Oh my god.
Madam.
Thank you, kind sir. We're at Walmart. So I'm kind of hungry, so I might just pick. Oh my god. I might pick me up something from here. I'm not exactly sure. I think I am sure, because if I don't get nothing from here, I'm gonna get a wrap from Burger King. Because isn't Burger King right there? So we're looking for a meal or a snack. I might get me like a little party pizza, because I'm actually like really hungry. But I'm not sure. I don't know what I want to eat. I've never had that before, but I really want to try it. So I think that's what I'm gonna get. It's good. We received the laundry detergent and our bag is now we're leaving. And we got a receipt. We go get our tattoo appointment is in the next like hour and 20 minutes. And we're ready to go get it.
From 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed in the crib and the liquor too. I feel so loud.
This place. Okay, there's been a change of plans. I feel like I said this every single time I film, but there's been a change of plans. It's pushed back to 5:30. Right now, we're at one of these little park things.
Yeah, park thing. It's literally a park.
It's it's not like a national park. It's just like a park. We're at this park. It's nice, you know. We're finna look around. We might kayak and stuff. I'm not sure, but we're about to see. Well, we're out here in the wilderness.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand on my knees, go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring out the window, trying to stop for a sign. It's the reason why you're always on my mind. You come around like this, baby, when I see you, when I see you, baby, when I never know when you might walk by, so I gotta be right when I see you, when I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook.
So we just ate after our long nature walk.
Nervous when you're gone. You say I'm not home. See your face like in my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing the stars outside. What's the reason why? Yeah. You're always sexy boy. You're sexy boy. Hey baby, I just wanna know, baby, when something now is taking over me. Yeah. I'm not gonna run now, just gonna stand here and sleep. Yeah. Hey baby, I see you. So sexy boy, so sexy boy.
Hello. Alright, your girl is tatted up, period. But hi. The day is done. We done did what we had to do, and we're tired. We're sleeping. But I did get the package I've been waiting for from Temu, so I wanted to just show you guys that. I got my little tat right here. Oh, anyways, I got my little tattoo. So yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys so I can stop using this big behind stand when I film and actually sit something down. And I wanted to show you guys what I got. So I got some more lashes. I like the cat eye type lashes, and I've got lashes from Temu before. So I feel like these need to be a little bit more full at the end, but otherwise, you know, fluffy full. But we got lashes. We got some nails, bro. I was trying to get some Halloween nails, and my cases scream, everything scream. You know, the little drip right here. I have some nails to wear. I'm definitely order me some more. So yeah, I'm gonna order me some more nails. Yeah. Next thing, I got something for my sister and for her birthday, which is just this little thing. I need to get me one, so I might just order me another one. But it's just like, you know, little wristings and headband for your hair. And then These are some little glow up lights that I got for more content, future content. I'm in here.
And you got a tattoo.
I know.
Go like do it like one. That's the numbers.
Yeah, you don't see that?
Pretty hard. I'm gonna get it bigger now.
He had the option to make it bigger, like this big, but I didn't want it to like be too big.
It wasn't gonna be too. You should have got it bigger.
Yeah.
That's my thing. You should have got it bigger.
But what if I want something later as well? It's kind of already in the way of anything else I want.
I thought you were gonna put it like right here.
At first, I was gonna put it like across here, but
You
then
should have put it like right here.
yeah,
And then I'm having.
it was hurting.
The 30 was fine.
No, I didn't cry. I sent you the
How
video.
bad it was hurt?
6 out of 10.
You didn't show me the whole thing.
Oh, I'm gonna put it on my YouTube. Then you
Watch
watch
on
it.
YouTube, yeah.
I don't know what the last thing I said was because I just had a whole conversation with him. But we got these glasses, these special tech glasses. I really just be getting stuff to play with. But I'm gonna show y'all these glasses real quick. And then we're gonna get to the real reason why I even pulled any of this stuff out. They're like this, and then they glow. I need to clean them off. But let me see what they look like with the light on. I feel like they look cute. But yeah, they're really cute. And then when you fold them back, the lights automatically turn off. So you don't gotta worry about nothing. They smell like a factory. Like really bad. It actually could cause me a headache. But they smell like very much harsh chemicals. Now the real reason why we're here is this. I can't carry this. I like carrying my phone around. I don't mind, but when I go do my makeup in the bathroom or something, like I can't set my phone on the counter, so y'all be at a weird angle, especially like when I brush my teeth or wash my face or whatever. I'll be at a weird angle. Especially when I even just trying to do TikToks. I have to put this whole thing up and angle it. So I got this. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff. I kind of already looked at everything. It has this for the microphone. And if I have an iPhone, so it comes with this adapter thing right here to put on here, connect to my phone. And then this is the microphone. I'll be honest, this microphone doesn't really work. It's just for show. Then it comes with this stand thing that we have to unfold. It's a tripod, so let me move this out the way and put it right there. I feel like you could turn it, but it's kind of really low. Like the way it stands on its own is kind of low. I feel like, and then right here, you press it, and then this moves. You know. So if you want your phone to be a little higher, this is what your phone goes on. And then it comes with a little light. This light comes, you need AA batteries, and I have some AA batteries, I think. Oh, not in that one. And then you put them in the light. Let me turn the light off. So this is the first setting. Then there's another setting, which is brighter. And a brighter one, and then off. But yeah, this goes on top of here. It like slides on. See, that's gonna aggravate me. Especially if the mic doesn't even work for real. Like everything falling out is not fun. Plus, I also could put the mic on the side if I wanted to. I could put the mic on the side. You know? Put on the other side. I'm keeping it on the side because I know if I keep it, it's gonna keep falling off. And then here we are, our little light. We're gonna put it on the highest setting, and then we're gonna put you guys on. Okay, y'all are really close. Y'all are never this close. But I still have this light on. I'm gonna turn this light off so y'all can kind of see. Ooh, just with the other thing. It looks like, oh no, don't fall. The mic obviously fell out. It's a little slanted, not even gonna lie, but I can fix that. But yeah, now I can talk to y'all kind of more face to face on a tripod instead of using this. This is a good thing. I got it for like $20. I got this for like $8. But yeah, that's a good light. It's just the fact of like carrying it around and this and that. And instead of just putting it up on the counter, especially when I go downstairs and stuff, I don't want to carry that down. Plus, this doesn't take a cord. That could only go so far. So if I were to go outside or something, I could just use this. Plus, I can hold it in my hand to hold, like, it's easier to hold in my hand like this. So our videos are gonna be better. I'm gonna wake up and be like, hi guys, welcome back to my video. Da, 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 da. Yeah, that's all with this. I want to call this a vlog, or I'm just gonna say that's all with this video. I am tired. I will get back to y'all with some more content. Toodles.
Your girls shop in sizes that are too small letters. Girls look better in a real tight sweater. Girls look better in a real tight sweater. Girls look better in a real tight sweater. Girls look